This is the Gerber Edge blue utility knife. It's model number 31-000667. It is your standard folding utility knife. It uses both contractor and standard grade utility blades. The knife is opened with a thumb stud on the side of the handle, ambidextrous thumb studs to be exact. The blade is locked in place with the spring lock is integrated into the handle. You can carry the knife in your pocket, or you can use this pocket clip that's included with the knife. If you don't want the pocket clip on there, you can easily remove it. It's a fairly lightweight knife because of the blue aluminum handle. The overall weight of the knife is 3.52 ounces, so it's pretty lightweight to be such a big knife. This is the Gerber Edge blue aluminum utility knife, model number 31-000667.